There's a whole group of them in there.
Good boy.
I hear them all yelling at each other. You did great.
Good boy.
Good job. He's got a deer watcher. They're gonna hang out together, he says.
Go be friends.
Around, so I thought maybe it was playing with them.
He's just to the right of the wood burn pile of the neighbors there.
Oh, I see it.
The dark deer.
Yeah.
Kind of hard to see unless you're looking straight. There he is.
He bounced over there, so I thought maybe he was playing with another one again.
No, he wants to see what's up with that dog. Yeah, he's gonna cross the creek. Here he comes.
He's gonna come see Chili.
He's crossing the creek.
What kind of dog attracts deer? Oh my god. He is at the very end of his lead, by the way.
It's been a minute since we made a real video, or a regular video. Been about a year since we got the property. Still waiting on the house, still waiting on all that jazz. Just got us a new puppy named Chili, so he's dialing things in, and we're just enjoying the spot and keeping everything going, waiting for a house. Gotta take our good old time. And a lot of different changes with that. We'll get into it when we can. But for today, we just want to enjoy the day and hang out and see what's new.
Some little growls there.
It's a good day, ain't? Ain't sunny, but it's nice out. We're gonna play. Been a while since the van's moved, so we're gonna see if it'll fire up and move out from the carport. Hopefully the carport hasn't sank down and we hit anything. So we'll see. Piece. Not too bad for an old girl. First ride in the van. See how it goes.
Easy. Sit up.
Runaway test drive was a success, but we also found we had mold on stuff, so we could damper it after we treat everything and clean it all up, fix everything up. Can't have mold. You're gonna need a full clean inside and out, get all this mold and stuff fixed up and tucked away and cleared up. It's always fun. All clean and shiny. These things take forever to wash. And we got all the inside stuff taken out so we can get it cleaned up and fixed up. Everything else has been wiped down, desanitized. We're going to get a dehumidifier to run in this bad boy. Sorry, I don't have the lights on. And then we'll get it all squared away. It was just a little bit of mold on the seats, really. It happens when you store stuff, so we'll get her all squared away. Like two-tone paint job on the seats. Alright, everything else looks really good in this guy. We took him for his test run. He's running good, so we're going to... Oh, we have to fix the sewage pipes. The drain valves, or whatever they're called, Valterra valves, are leaking. So we're going to replace the things on those. They are right there, so we'll change those out. It's always a fun job. Change valves, clean tanks. So there shouldn't be anything crazy in there. Just gotta take these valves and pop them apart. There we go. Clean it up. Seals. Still in good shape. We should be able to use it. Seal. Where's our front? New front piece. Easy enough. Scoping things. I need to stop recording. Mine died. That happened. I thought the camera died, but it didn't. I just turned it the wrong way. So there's finished valves all fixed up. Van's all ready to go. It's another day. Sun's trying to come out. We're just gonna relax and take it easy today. Read a book in the chilly air.
With a chilly dog.
With a chilly dog, and just relax for once. Maybe build some bridges, I don't know. We'll get into some nonsense. As you can see, we've made it real far. Hard at work. That kind of day. Oh, this lawnmower's been through some hell here. It is treated very hard. I was like, oh, I thought I just broke a spring on it. Let's see if we can get down here and see. Move the belt, because there we go. Broke a spring. It holds the pulley. It tensions everything. I was like, oh, okay. Not a big deal. We'll get a spring. And I'm like, well, this thing's sitting on the grass awfully low. Well, shit. We're missing a bolt. Kind of holds it up. So we're going to have to get one of those. That's kind of important to have. So yeah, I really hit a good stump there. Broke it good.
Not there? Can you do it? Come this way.
Oh, struggles. Got it. Jeez. Tough life, huh?
It's clear right now.
Yeah. Levels back up. Looks good. Time for a swim.
Now look the creek. Check the creek out. Hey, this one. Good boy.
I think that qualifies as a little dirty. Let's get all the mold and algae off of the side of the runaway too. Much cleaner. First layer of algae off at least. There we go. Yep. Shines up all right for now. So how do you think Tilly's adapted to everything?
Adapted. It's like he's been with us his whole life.
Yep, I had to agree. He's going to be a good dog for us.
He is the most trusting soul.